Okay, I kind of ran out of ideas, so now we're just going now we're just messing around in the tractor auction. The other day we were exploring it. Now we're messing around in it, though, if that makes sense to you. Any YouTubers will know what I'm talking about because you run out of ideas real fast. I'm not famous, though, so I'm not really considered a YouTuber. I just have like freaking 4 subscribers. Who cares, though? I'm still making videos. Up. Here, can you hold this? Don't drop it whenever you do. Oh, run this. So. Well, I can do this, at least. Oh, look, there's a half a tractor. You have the thing pointed to it? Yeah. Yeah, everybody wants to see that half a tractor.
Sure they do.
It has all that crap.
Oh, crap, I feel like it's tired about.
Yeah, it does.
Let's just, yeah. Is it just me and I just thought I heard tractors, but I guess.
This looks like tank tires. Yeah, point it at this.
Point it what?
Heavy as crap, but they're like tank tires. Holy crap. Ah, let me see this. Let me see this.
Cool.
I'm not going to be able to pick this up. Oh my god, that's freaking heavy. Yeah, that's heavy. I think I hurt my back doing that.
Okay.
That's what I like.
Wait, that way, really? Let's go back. Who wants to go dumpster diving?